Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make all text box the same white in Excel. Okay. Now select the text box, hold Control and select other text box. Hold Control. Okay. And click the mouse size and properties. Now see this height white. Now type your white. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.